Hello and welcome. As my newest business partner, I'd like to say thank you for trusting me enough to take this journey with me. And this is going to be a great journey for you. And at the end of this training, my goal is to have you in your mind have no doubt with all your heart believe that the strategies and techniques I'm going to share with you in this training will work for you and give you tremendous success in the network marketing industry. Okay, now let me first say that whoever has joined, if you join at the $500 or higher, then all these videos here, I'm going to set this up for you. This is sort of detailed, but also pretty simple. The video pretty much explains everything to you. So those who come in at smaller levels, you can still follow through the training and get your video set up and get your business completely set up and be ready to just get sales right away. Once once your machine is well oiled and fine tuned, you can just rank off the sales and just get sales repeatedly once you have everything set up. So you can still follow the videos, get things set up, and use the different platforms and tools that I suggest in here to find success. You can still do that if you come in at a lower level. But one of the additional benefits on top of getting a free vacation to joining at a 500 or a higher level is that I will offer to do the setup for you. Okay, so that's just one thing I wanted to say up front, so that if you join at a lower level, you want to stop at any point during the training and reach out to me and say, hey, I want to join at a higher level because I see the opportunity to make better money and get double the efforts for half the the same level of work, get more money as a result. But also, I just rather just not go through the setup process. I'd rather let you do it. You're an expert. You know what you're doing. Let me just trust you to do that. So again, that is totally up to you. Okay. Now, on with the training, folks. This is going to be a great training. I'm so excited to teach you this information, and it's going to really be a great benefit to you. Okay. Now, this is my capture page, and the capture page is what you use to capture someone's their name, their email, and their phone number. Okay. So all of you that have joined my team came through this capture page right here. This is my capture page that I'm using. Now there are several capture pages that you can choose from inside of our system and our platform. However, this is the capture page that I like the most right now, what I'm using currently. So it converts very well. It's a very powerful page. And again, it got you all to click and put your name, email, and phone number and click on the Get Details Right Now button right there. So obviously it's a good page if it got you to take action. Okay, now once you enter your information on this page here, you automatically we're taken to this page right here. Now if you want to learn how to set this up, I set this page up here through Splash Wizard for $7, and I basically created what I call a bridge page, which basically introduced you all to me. Okay, here's me. Welcome, and thank you for opting in. Let me ask you a very serious question. What would an extra $25 to $1,000 a day do for your life? Okay, so I want to stop it right there because you kind of get let me stop it there. So I use this page right here. Again, I created through Splash Wizard. I uploaded the video to YouTube and I plugged it in here. And basically, this is what I call a bridge page to kind of introduce you all to me, my personality, my coaching and training style. Kind of my delivery, and just to kind of build a rapport, build a trust factor, because people buy from those that they know, like, and trust. So this video here kind of was kind of like weeded out those who may not like me for whatever reason, and attracted those of you who do like me, and therefore we are business partners. So this is a very key little strategy that I've learned throughout my years of marketing that's very beneficial, to do a bridge page that basically introduces yourself, and then when they click on the Get Instant Access page, when you all clicked on this Get Instant Access Now button, you were taken to this presentation right here for the Vertex Lead System, which explained the easy one-up opportunity. Okay, so you see this here. This is the page you all came and saw. You all saw me right here in my write-up. You all, had a chance to experience this system by watching the video and reading through all the literature. Okay, so you guys have obviously done all this stuff here. If you're already joining your business partner, you watched the video, you've done all that stuff. Okay, so this is the Vertex Lead System, which is a very high-tech, very high, upscale marketing presentation that teaches people about the Easy One Up opportunity. Okay, so this is something that if you really want to have your marketing efforts on steroids, you need the Vertex Lead System. Now, I'm telling you right now, you can use the system that Easy One Up provides you, the generic version, and it definitely can convert. So if you're not able to get the Vertex Lead System, you can start off there. But when you want to really supercharge your efforts, when you want to really promote like a true professional, when you want to really just supercharge your efforts, okay, you want the Vertex Lead System because this is a premier marketing system that does a great job of explaining the presentation to your prospects. Okay, so this is basically going to send them through the funnel. It's going to spit out those who are really serious about your business opportunity, who really want to change their lives and make some money. Okay, it's going to send those people to you, and those who aren't interested or who don't, see it or join right away, they'll get a series of automated emails on your behalf that comes out, so they can join at a later date if they don't join right away. Okay, now let me tell you a little bit about this system. Now, again, Vertex Lead System, guys. Here is the page that you would use to get your own replicated copy of the Vertex Lead System. Again, this here will basically does unlimited presentations for you day in, day out, 24/7. Money never sleeps, and this thing here will make you money around the clock, guys. This thing here is so powerful. Even when you're asleep, your bank account, your money can still be growing. Okay, this is the most powerful marketing and lead management system for Easy One Up, guys. This is a replicated system. Everybody's has, who purchased this, they can enjoy all of the benefits to this system here. There are several capture pages that where you can choose whatever one that you like. Here's the one that I'm personally using right now. There's many others in the back office, and I'll show you the back office here shortly here. But you can choose from those capture pages. You can also choose, like I said earlier, it's a 24/7 video sales presentation that it just constantly promotes your business for you. Does all the selling, telling, and explaining for you, so you don't have to do anything. Again, with just a minimal setup, the system virtually automates your marketing efforts. Okay, it's very powerful. You definitely need the Vertex Lead System. Okay, this also brands your business with Easy One Up. Okay, this basically just helps you to just really just get your Easy One Up business off the ground and really start to make an avalanche of money and really start to change your financial future and start to achieve whatever goals that you have. It gives you detailed statistics about your visitors, your conversions, your capture page conversions, and you can maybe see who's opening up your emails, how much of the videos they're watching, how much time they spend on your page. It shows you everything, so you can see who's a hot prospect and who's just kind of curious. Okay, it kind of does that for you. You can manage your prospects, have their name and contact information. You can add notes. You can really just, keep a good a system of contact to know about all of your prospects. And again, you're a professional marketer now. I'm going to show you how to be a professional marketer, and this is very important to have a tool like this. Okay, so this helps you easily identify your hot prospects based on the statistics and seeing who's opening your information, who's engaging in your information. You can better know where your sales are going to come from. Okay, and you have a host of resources, marketing strategies, tools, and resources, and things like that. So, I'm going to lay out a blueprint, what I found to be the simplest blueprint and how to have success. But there are many different ways that you can do this. So, the resources tab will show you all kinds of ways to promote your business. And again, it's a turnkey system. Everything's already been set up for you. This is a franchise, so it's already been set up and prepared for you. All you do is, once you paid your investment, as you guys obviously have, and once you purchase this Vertex Lead System, you will make your business turnkey. Okay, we even have a 24/7 recorded sizzle call that you can share with your prospects to hear about the opportunity, and we have an autoresponder integration. So let's say if you want to use, say, GoDaddy or MailChimp or whatever your autoresponder is, you can integrate your autoresponder in here, although there's an autoresponder that's already built into the system. So really powerful, guys. Now, for all of this, it's a one-time cost of $97. Okay, now look, you need Vertex Lead System to really supercharge your business. Okay, you need that. This is a one-time only cost. Listen, if you really want to succeed, if you really want to do this thing the right way, you need to follow my recommendations. You need to have the Vertex Lead System, because after all, wasn't it good enough to sign you up? I mean, think about that, right? This system was good enough to persuade you to spend your money with me and to join this business, okay? So if it was good enough for you, imagine how many of your prospects this will also be good for. So you need to spend a one-time cost of $97. You need to go ahead and spend that. And the link is in the bottom of the video here. Okay, because when you click the link, you'll come to this very page right here. When you click the link, okay, just scroll down. You can read through the information again if you want to. There's even a short video right here you can play and kind of see all that.
All Easy One Up members, you're looking to put more money in your pocket, and we have created the solution. Introducing the Vertex Lead System automated marketing platform.
Okay, the video kind of goes into details. It's a very short introduction, but goes into detail. But you can watch that once you click the link at the bottom of the video here, take you to this page right here. Once you look at all the information, you can go right down here. You can click on the Order Now button to place your order. Okay, so again, one-time cost of $97, guys. Well worth the investment. All right. So once you have purchased the Vertex Lead System, you can log into your back office here. Okay. Now let me show you a couple things here. Real quick here. So first thing, just one little small side note, guys. When you sign up someone an easy one up, the Easy One Up system, the Easy One Up back office will track all of your sales for you. So Vertex Lead System, this is not going to track the amount of sales you earn or what your balance is. It's not going to do that. It's not even going to track your referrals because that's all tracked in your Easy One Up. Vertex Lead System is basically just a marketing platform for Easy One Up. I'm not sure why they really even have these three things here because it doesn't automatically tally up. You can manually do these things if you want to, but I don't mess with it. It's just a waste of time because your Easy One Up back office does all that for you. Okay, I just wanted to say that just to get that out the way before I get started. But guys, this is the back office here, and you have many things. Now, this is not going to be a all exhaustive tutorial of the back office. Just going to kind of show you a couple of just small details here. But so let's go to capture pages here. Okay, so when you click on capture pages, you'll see there's some default pages that show up. These are the main pages that you can use when you have people looking to join your business. These are the main pages that they land on. Okay, now these are some of the main capture pages. Like for example, you can see I open this up right here in the link, and you can see this is an example of one of their capture pages. Okay, this is just one. This is not the one that I'm using, but these are just some of the basic capture pages that they have. Okay, now if you click on this link right here, capture pages, then got to plug up my computer here. Folks, I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go grab my charger and plug up this laptop here so I can finish this presentation. All right, folks, I am back. Okay, so as I was saying, if you click on the link right here where it says capture pages, you'll see all 24. Okay, now you can scroll through these and see which one you like the best. There are many different ones to choose from. One thing I recommend, guys, is look for a capture page that has an option to enter in their name, phone number, and email. Again, now this is the capture page that I'm currently using, which gives me the option to get their name, phone number, and email. Okay, but some of the pages only give you an option to capture an email. Let's say, for example, this one right here that I just clicked. This one right here. Okay, it's a nice page here. Very high tech, very great graphics. Okay, great message. Okay, it's a great page. But this only gets people's email. Now, if you just simply want to strictly email market, you don't want to pick up the phone and call people, shame on you, because the fortunes in the follow-up, reaching out and calling your prospects, being proactive is another key of how you're going to make money in this business, guys. Listen, I'm going to show you what works. I'm going to be a hard coach and teach you the truth. And if you can follow what I'm saying here, you're going to have success. If you're too passive and too afraid, you're going to struggle. If you're proactive and you reach out to your prospects, you're going to close more sales. So I recommend not using one that only gets the email, but rather using one like the one I'm using, which gets their name, phone, or email, and phone number to be able to follow up. Okay, that's what you want to do. All right, so you can choose your capture page. Again, I'm showing you the one that I use. Now, when somebody enters their name, phone number, and email on your capture page here, okay, they become a lead in your system. Okay, so let's go to contacts here. Okay, let's view contacts. All right, so in my contacts, they become a lead in your system. Okay, so once they become a lead in your system, guys, you can open up their, you can contact them, open up and call them. You can you can basically, you know, close more sales because you're more in contact with your prospects. Okay, now once you have this in your back office and these people have become a contact, okay, and let's look at one for example. Let me see this guy here. Open up here. Well, let's do the first one here. Okay, let's view. Scroll down here and let's view. Now, guys, these are we were all adults here. You know, there's some phone numbers and whatnot here, but we're all adults. Okay, so once we have, that's the wrong one I want to go to. Once I open this person here, okay, I'm able to see. Um, let's see here. That's not what I want to do. Okay, so let me see. Let me go here and look at my stats. Okay, I'm able to see this person how many times they've opened an email. Okay, this person here opened this email one time, that one time, that one time. So, but they were getting automated emails that's going out. They opened that email up twice. Okay, so this person here was somebody who didn't join right away, but they're going to keep on getting automated emails from me, and they'll eventually join. Okay, that's how this works. That's what an automated email is. They keep on contacting your prospects until they join. Now, once you guys became a lead and put your name and phone number and email on my capture page, you got this first email here. Okay, this was sent out to you automatically. This is something I prepared already in advance. It goes out to everybody. This is how you automate your marketing efforts. Okay, so this Vertex Lead System allows you to send out automated emails to your prospects as well, because some folks will join right away. They're going to see the opportunity and jump on it and join right away. Okay, as some of you have, okay, but not everybody will join right away. Some folks need to have multiple exposures before they actually join, okay, so that's why this autoresponder is very important. That's why you need the Vertex Lead System to be able to use the autoresponder, okay. You guys, listen, let me just show you another bonus here real quick, okay. In the resources section, let's say in the marketing section, okay, you're going to have a ton of resources. You're going to do banner advertising resources, classify advertising resources, solo ads, offline marketing, whatever you want to go. There's resources in all of these different links here to show you how to market and build your business, guys. I'm telling you, this Vertex Lead System is a business in a box. It gives you everything that you need to succeed. So all for just a one-time cost of $97. You can have this system that's going to give you quite a bit for one-time cost of $97. Again, folks, this is the first step into positioning yourself to explode your easy one-up business, which is having the Vertex Lead System, which is the premier marketing system for easy one-up, which is going to automate your marketing efforts, which is going to really explode your bank account. Okay, so this is the first video. There's more to come. Again, follow the training step by step. Pay close attention. Take copious notes. Call me, text me, or email me if you have any questions. Okay. Again, this is going to be a very detailed training, but if you would like to bypass the setup process and want me to do it for you, if you join at the 500 or higher level, I'll do this stuff for you. If you join at a lower level, if you can't afford to come in that high, you join at a lower level, you can still get all this stuff set up by simply following the instructions. And the very first instruction on the very first training video is that you need to purchase the Vertex Lead System for a one-time cost of $97 to supercharge your business. Okay, this is Wayman Peters. This is video training 1. Video training 2 is to come. Guys, enjoy it. It's going to be a great ride. I'm excited for you in advance. Can't wait to help you prosper this year and beyond. Take care. God bless.